Tell a friend to tell a friend about my YouTube page. You get me? Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ama, and today I'm here to show you a quick run to the store kind of makeup look, a simple one, nothing too serious. So check it out. So we're gonna start with the eyebrows. You're gonna brush your eye, draw your eyebrows. Something simple, you know, because you just, and I'm gonna be using Chestnut, LA Pro Chestnut. So I'm gonna put it on the back of my hand and again, and then it's a quick look, so you know, nothing too serious. I'm gonna prime my face with the Smashbox primer. Yeah, Photo Finish Foundation Primer. I'm gonna prime in. I'm gonna go for my Fenty foundation. I'm gonna put a little, put a little, put a little, put a little bit, not too much, you know. I'm gonna spray my beauty blender a little bit with something serious, just for like a little coverage, so nothing too little. And I'm gonna blend it in. You could use a brush, you could use a beauty blender, whatever you feel comfortable with applying a foundation with. Just, you know, do you, but just make sure you blend, 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 blend. That is done, and I'm good with my blend. So I'm gonna apply it underneath my eye, on my nose, under my chin, and on my forehead. Not much, just a little bit. Nothing too serious. My nose and my forehead, my big ass forehead. Once that is done, I'm gonna take my, so blend, blend, blend. So after I'm gonna set all the areas I applied my concealer. Once I'm done with that, I'm gonna contour my face, and I'm gonna use a color, like a little dark brown color from my Morphe palette, 35M, and I'm gonna be using this color for my contouring. Cause it's like a quick outing kind of thing. Once that is done, I'm set. Is there another word for it? With my MAC Dark Deep Mineralizer Skin Finish. I was about to say Skin and Finish. So that is gonna set everything in place. So I'm gonna just use my Morphe once again, because you know it's something quick. I'm just gonna apply a little bit more concealer just to help it, you know, help my eyeshadow show a little bit. My brush, and I'm gonna take this color right here, if you can see this color right here, as a transitional shade. And I'm gonna put it right here on my crease. And blend. Blend, blend, blend. And then also I'm gonna grab this color right here and add it. There's nothing too serious, so I'm just going for like calm colors, calm neutral colors. I'm gonna use the same brush and I'm basically putting that all over my lid because I'm just over there. Much better. And I'm not the best when it comes to applying liner. I have hooded eyes, so you can even barely see anything. So once that is done, I'm gonna apply my mascara. Yeah, I'm gonna apply my mascara. I'm gonna try and get underneath. no blush. I'm gonna glow my skin. I'm gonna use this from BH Cosmetics, Wild and Radiant BH Cosmetic Glow. And I'm gonna be using this, a little bit of this, and yeah. Woo, nothing too serious, you know. I'm just going to, I'm not going anywhere. Glow, baby, glow. A little bit on my nose. A little bit on my chin. Nothing too. Just I'm gonna spray my face with my, I'm gonna tell y'all, NYX Matte Finish spray. And we are done. I'm gonna throw on my wig real quick, and ooh, my lips, lip gloss, and it will be. Guys, I'm back with my wig on, and I'm gonna line my lips with my brown lip pencil and put on some lip gloss, and that's it for me. And I'm gonna use my lip gloss. It's just a regular Victoria's Secret lip gloss I've had for like a long time, a while. So yeah, this is the end product. A simple going out to buy something from the corner store, a quick look. No, nothing too serious. You can go walk around the park with a friend with this look.